Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to find trending filters on TikTok. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply open the TikTok, and if you want to find the trending filters, you have to click on the plus button. After that, you have to simply click on effects. After that, here you can see there are many trending filters shown by the name of trending, and moreover by country region more trending filters are also shown. Now if you want to see only the trending filters which are trending on your region in the world, then you can simply go to the search bar, and here you can find only limited option of the trending filters. Here as you can see, there are only 5 filters, which means these are the 5 which are trending on the TikTok. So you can easily find here. Now if you not finding any trending filter, you can simply search here and you will find that filter easily, which means I am going to find a filter which is as, and if you do not find here, you can simply search that filter here, you can simply find that filter and click on that filter, and you can easily use that filter if you want to go viral on TikTok. In this way you can search for all the filters which are trending on TikTok. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.